Are you ready to dive into the world of wearable tech excitement? Because we've got some scorching hot news that's about to ignite your passion for smartwatches. The tech sphere is buzzing with anticipation as rumors swirl around the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8. This isn't just any smartwatch, it's a potential game changer that could redefine the wearable landscape. Let's cut to the chase. Garmin, the titan of outdoor and fitness tech, is reportedly gearing up to unleash its next masterpiece, the Fenix 8. While the company has remained tight-lipped, the digital rumor mill is in overdrive, with whispers and speculations flying faster than a marathon runner. Now, before we delve deeper into the heart of this tech spectacle, let's take a quick rewind. The Fenix 7 and its AMOLED-enhanced sibling, the Garmin Epix Pro, have undeniably set the bar high. These powerhouses have captured the hearts of adventure enthusiasts and fitness fanatics alike, offering a blend of rugged durability, cutting-edge features, and unmatched performance. But Garmin isn't one to rest on its laurels. The tech giant is apparently cooking up something truly special with the Fenix 8. Thanks to a sharp-eyed tipster named Florin from Fitness Tracker Test, we've caught a tantalizing glimpse of what's to come. According to Florin, a Finnish online retailer, Multitronic, has prematurely listed the Fenix 8 with a release date penciled in for September 2024. Hold on to your seats, folks, because this might just be the tech drop of the year. The leak suggests that the Fenix 8 will arrive in 3 distinct sizes, mirroring its predecessor. Additionally, 2 sleek color options, slate gray steel and classic black, will be on offer, each paired with a stylish black band. For those who crave a perfect fusion of style and substance, these choices are an absolute dream come true. But here's where things get truly exhilarating. Florin claims that the Fenix 8 will boast an AMOLED display as standard fare. Imagine vibrant colors, sharper contrasts, and an overall visual experience that's light years ahead of its predecessors. This is a monumental leap forward, and it signals Garmin's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartwatch technology. With the introduction of the AMOLED screen, there's growing speculation that Garmin might phase out the Epix brand, leaving the Fenix series to reign supreme. While nothing is concrete yet, it's an intriguing possibility that has sent ripples through the tech community. So what can we expect from the Fenix 8? At the forefront is undoubtedly the upgraded AMOLED display, promising a visual feast for the senses. We can also anticipate a refined heart rate sensor for even more accurate fitness tracking. And let's not forget the tantalizing possibility of AI integration within the Garmin Connect ecosystem.